Hey, what's up and welcome back. So here are a few tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So let's dive in. Your Samsung Pay app on the Samsung phone is more than just a payment app. Other than adding your credit and debit cards, you can pay bills, purchase gift cards, check your credit score, and now also have your COVID vaccination certificate added to it as well. So you do not need to carry a physical one. To add your vaccination certificate, open the Samsung Pay app, and in the home page, you'll see the option COVID-19 vaccination certificate. Click on that, enter the contact number linked to the vaccination certificate, and you'll receive a one-time password. Now enter the OTP and bam, you now have your COVID vaccination certificate on Samsung Pay. You can also get the QR code if you need to scan the certificate in order to view the vaccination certificate. You can also check full details like name of the vaccination and number of doses taken, and share the certificate directly from Samsung Pay as a PDF. Other than that, you can also update to international travel certificate by linking your passport to enjoy hassle-free travel. Okay, so with the SmartThings app, you can control your smart TV remotely as long as it is connected to a network and a power source. Turn your TV on or off or control the volume, change the source and apps. To do so, first make sure you add your smart TV by launching the SmartThings app, and it will automatically prompt you to add your smart TV. And follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once your smart TV is added, pull down the notification panel and click on Device Control or launch the SmartThings app. You should see your smart TV listed here. Click on your smart TV and you can power your smart TV on or off. Change the source of your smart TV, check which app is currently running on your smart TV, or even launch an app. And the best part, you can do all this remotely away from your TV's location as well. So the next is a cool automation feature hidden in the Wearables app called Auto Switch. Just as the name suggests, Auto Switch, when toggled on, switches automatically to the watch that you are currently wearing, in case you have more than one compatible watch. Just toggle on Auto Switch in the Wearables app in the settings, and the watch that you are currently wearing will get automatically connected to your phone. As simple as that. Hey, did you know that the SmartThings app can help you find your favorite Galaxy accessories like your smartwatch or smart tag in case you're not able to find them? Well, yes you can. Just head into the SmartThings app, click on devices, and you'll see your smart tag or smartwatch here. If your smart tag is not near you, click on View Map. From here, you can navigate it and get a live location of your smart tag, which works by using other Samsung devices nearby to get the location of your smart tag, in case you left it somewhere or lost it. And you can also check your location history of the smart tag. The smart tag also works the other way around, but this is only if the smart tag is connected to the phone. By just double tapping on the smart tag, your phone will ring, making it easier to find. And in case you're not able to find your smart tag, which could be attached to your pet or even something valuable, when connected to your device, you can search nearby to find your lost item with the help of a signal meter to know if you're getting closer or further away from the smart tag, in case you're not able to hear it. Or you can also make it ring and choose between two volume levels as well. To locate your watch, head into the SmartThings app, make sure your watch is connected to your phone. Click on your watch and then click on Find Device. From here, you can navigate or make your watch ring. Hey, and also a sub to the channel is highly appreciated, and do remember to smash the bell icon so you get notified when my next video goes out live. The cover display on the Flip 4 isn't just for show. With the Flip 4, Samsung has made the cover display extremely useful. While clicking a photo or shooting a video, the subject can see a preview of themselves on the cover screen, giving them the option to now click high-resolution selfies from the main camera by making use of the cover screen preview feature. Just head into the camera app, and in the top extreme right, you'll see an icon named as Cover Screen Preview. Click on that and you'll get to see a preview on the cover screen, so you can click high-resolution images and videos. Okay, so if you'd want to generally access the notification panel, you'd have to slide down from anywhere on the screen to do so. But there is also another way to access the notification panel. Just head into the settings and go to Advanced Features, then click on Motion and Gestures, and you'll see an option called Finger Gesture Sensor. Click on that and here you can toggle on open notification panel or even open Samsung Pay or toggle both on. Now you can slide down or up to pull up or down the notification panel. And by simply swiping up on the home page, you can access Samsung Pay right from the power button and then immediately use your fingerprints to pay. There is a new feature added by Samsung that will give you peace of mind the next time you need to service your phone. Well, say hi to maintenance mode, which can be found in device care under settings and is used when you give your phone for repairs at the service center, so all your personal data cannot be accessed by anyone other than you. Just turn on maintenance mode and a log will be created. Wait for a few minutes and your phone will power off and turn with maintenance mode on. Once you boot into maintenance mode, you can hand the device over with peace of mind. And once done, just tap on the notification to turn off maintenance mode. That's it. So, like I've said, the cover screen has been put to full use. And one of the most frequently used feature by me is turning on the flashlight. Super useful. And also, don't worry, as soon as you turn on the flashlight, you won't be blinded by the light, as it will only get activated when you hit the volume buttons. With the phone folded, just double tap on the cover screen and swipe from up to down, and you will see a set of quick controls. Swipe left and you will see the flashlight icon. Tap on that and aim the phone away from your eyes and hit the volume button to turn on the flashlight. And press the volume button again to turn it off. Okay, so if your phone is folded and if you have a song playing, the volume button will be adjusted automatically. So that when you fold your phone, the volume up button now becomes your volume down button and the volume down becomes your volume up button. Tiny but personally quite thoughtful, as Samsung has left no margins for complaints. The next, in the call settings, you'll find an extra setting that you wouldn't generally find on non-foldable phones, and it's called flip options. Under the settings, you can control how your flip phone behaves when you're on a call. You have 4 toggles to select from. You can toggle open phone to answer calls and or turn off speaker when phone opens. And you can either toggle close phone to end calls or turn on speaker when phone closes. This feature surely makes handling your calls really easy and you can adjust it as per your needs. Hats off to Samsung. Now this one is really awesome. If you have an image and need some text from the image, you can actually extract that text from the image. Be it clicked by your phone or even a screenshot or from any image in your gallery, as long as there's text available on that image and the text is clearly visible. To do this, open the image to extract the text and you'll see the alphabet T in the bottom right highlighted in yellow. Click on that and the text fields will be highlighted in the image. You can long press on the text and also select all the text in the image and copy it wherever you need. So, if you have a Windows laptop, I'm sure you're gonna love this feature. When you set up link to Windows, the moment your PC turns on, your phone is connected to your PC. And you'll get to see the link to Windows icon on top in your notification bar or in the notification panel. So, once connected to your PC, you'll also get to see all your notifications and also take and make calls right from your PC. You can see your phone's current wallpaper, battery percentage, cellular network, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can change your sound mode, view and send text under messages just like this. And under Photos tab, you can check out all your media, and in the Apps tab, you can check out all the apps on your phone. And also cast the app to your PC itself, so you don't have to get to your phone every time, especially if you're working on your PC. You also have the option to copy stuff from your phone to your PC or vice versa. All you need to do is launch the Link to Windows app on your PC and follow the link or click on the checkbox that says I have the Link to Windows app ready, and either pair with the QR code or pair manually. In this instance, I've selected pair with QR code and a QR code will be generated. Once done, head into your phone's Link to Windows app, which you can find in the quick panel layout, and click on Add Computer, and in case you don't have a QR code, follow the instructions on the screen. Else click Continue and scan the QR code. Now give it a few seconds to pair and Link to Windows will be ready to use. To make and receive calls, make sure you set that up in Calls in Preview tab. Click on Get Started, and once it's connected, you should be able to check out all your call histories and also make and receive calls. Another small tip, Samsung has incorporated Grammarly in the Samsung keyboard. So, say if you're not sure if you've used correct grammar on what you type, just click on the three dots on the right corner of the keyboard and swipe right. Now you'll see Grammarly tab here. Click on that and it will check your typing and provide you with correct words. So you don't have to worry about your statement being grammatically wrong.